Good morning YouTube. Today we are putting a Magnaflow exhaust on a 2016 Challenger. Let's roll. Some of you might know this car is attached to mine. This is the wife's. She's always said that it's never been loud enough. When we used to go driving around together, it was my car people hear, or her car people used to look at. So, as a little treat, we're going to put on a lovely catback exhaust from Nemesis in Bromsgrove. Managed to sort me out. They seem to be specialising in bringing all sorts of parts over from the States. That's where I'm getting my headers, catback, decat, exhaust, the whole lot for the Camaro ZL1, so that'll be the next video. But yeah, we'll just see how we go, eh? Again, this is really for performance gains. This is purely to make it sound better, because at the moment Dolly's, for a V8, she's very quiet. When we went to buy her, and we were saying, "Oh, start it up," and it was like, "Oh," it was like, that doesn't sound like a V8. So we just need to have a little bit of tinkering. But this is what she sounds like at the moment, which is not brilliant. Here is our master mechanic. Say hello. Hello. Just gonna get you ready. Big job broke out now. His face. It's very camera shy. Just bear with me a second. You have to poke him to get him going. Look. This isn't from the, no, this is from the catback. Right, let's get it out. On. Yeah. Here we have everything laid out, ready to go. These are actually really shiny, really nice tips. But the wife does actually want to keep the original, that shape, if you like. Is that like oblong shape? I'm not sure. But let's make a start. It's just been pointed out, making a cup of tea could actually be difficult. So what we're going to do to keep everyone happy, we're going to put milk in one of them first, but not in the other. That way everybody's happy. I'll do it then. I'll do it. I'll have that one. So all the haters who have milk in first, vote for me. Everyone else who has water in first, vote for Maz. Now look at the state of that. All you people that put milk in your teeth before water are weird. That is not, look at it. Look, that's a proper cup of tea. And that is just, that is horrible. That is disgusting. Should we start?
May as well.
Okay, while Maz is disassembling the exhaust, I'm going to assemble the new one to see where it all fits, so we can make some proper cuts. Right, this is just a quick disclaimer. This is an American vehicle in England. Everything is slightly different, just ever so slightly. So this is not an actual how-to guide on how to do this. This is a couple of mechanics just winging it. Is that right, Matt? I mean, I'm not being funny, but what is all that about? Is that like the biggest exhaust in the world? So the weight saving should be massive. Right, so as you can see, the rubbers do not want to come off that. So, option A is to replace them. Nope. Option B, we're going to grind them and take them off, because this exhaust, in my eyes, is scrap. And put them on the new one. Safety goggles. We're still trying to catch up with health and safety around here. Was that funny? What are you laughing at? Oh God, I wish you'd shut up. Someone messed up. Somebody messed up. Somebody put it on the wrong way, didn't they? It's not. It's totally different. No, it's totally different. Oh, there's a fucking hammer in the way, you dick! And you tripped over it anyway! I kicked that. Right, so you took these down. Are you ready for this shit? Born on it. What are you going to do? Who goes up first of all? Wrong way now. I'd have to kill you. I'd have to. Oh, oh. Mine's right.
Oh, mine's now you've rectified your fuck up.
Ow! And he did actually was them.
What did I do?
Oh. There are actually bits we need for the exhaust. He is launching. Look at him. One in each hand. Master mechanic. Just need the beard like Aaron, and then you can be like exactly the same.
Gas monkey.
Gas. Oh, this is why. And this is why we could never make a type of gas monkey. We should actually do. This is the English gas monkey.
We are British gas monkey.
British gas monkey. Tail tips. New tail tips. Right. If you have a look at this, this is the weld that we've had to do, a very nice weld. But why do we have to weld it back up?
Because you cut the wrong place.
I didn't cut the wrong place, you cut the wrong place. Master mechanic, my ass. Always complaining. No, I've just put an exhaust on the car for you.
It feels hot. You were driving fast.
No, I never drive fast. I'll look after the kids then. What do you think?
It's loud. Not quite at all.
Do you love it?
Yeah. It's definitely how it's supposed to be.
Yeah, proper V8. So YouTube, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and catch you later.